Class 10th. Today I am teaching you a chapter in your mathematics which is linear equation in two variable. In this chapter we have to solve the given two equations. Thereby we have to find out the value of x and y. Now the general form of a linear equation in two variable is like this: ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Another equation can be a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. It means that their value will be different. It means that there will be two equations and we will have to solve them. Now, how many methods are there? The first method is your graphical method. The second one is your substitution method. And the third one is your elimination method. The fourth one is cross multiplication method. Now first of all I will discuss about graphical method was taught to you in class 9th, so that we can discuss later on. First of all I'll tell you the substitution method. Now substitution method means that if in place of anyone we are putting something else, that is called as substitution method. For example, suppose there are two equations given. Suppose x plus y equal to 9 and x minus y equal to suppose 1. These are the two equations given. Okay, now we have to solve these equations by substitution method. Now what is substitution method? Substitution method tells us that from these two equations I will first find out the temporary value of any one variable of these two. Anyone. Suppose if y is sent to that side, then it will become x equal to 9 minus y. So that will be the temporary value of x. Similarly, you can do, if you send x to that side, it will be 9 minus x. So the value of y will be 9 minus x. That is called as substitution method. Now I will find out a temporary value of x. You can find of y also. So in this equation, suppose as it is given that x equal to 9. So what is the value? X equal to 9 minus y. This is the temporary value of x. This is the temporary value of x. Now this value, this temporary value can be put into the second equation. This was first equation and this will be second equation, and this temporary value when put into the second equation we can find out the value of y. Now let us see, I will put this value into the second equation. So the second equation is x minus y equal to 1, and in place of x I will put 9 minus y, so that should be put here. So 9 minus y equal to 1. The value of x was 9 minus y, and now it has been put in place of x, 9 minus y minus y. Now 9 minus 2y equal to 1. What happens if minus 2y is sent to that side? It will become positive, and if 1 is sent to left hand side, it will become negative because this is positive here. So it makes 9 minus 1 equal to 2y. As it was sent to that side, now it will become 2y. It was sent to this side, so it becomes 8, and that equal to 2y. What happens? 2 is brought to this side, it will become, it will get divided 2 4 ja. So hence we are getting y equal to 4. Now you can see that the value of y we have got, but the temporary value of x was 9 minus y. Now if we put the value of this y here, we can find out the value of x. So in this way, x was 9 minus y. temporary value. Now if I put its value here, x equal to 9 minus 4, because the value of y we got as a 4, so it becomes x equal to 5. So therefore x equal to 5 and y equal to 4, this is the answer. In this way we solved the two given equations, this and this, and in this way we got the value of x and y. The value of x we got as a 5 and the value of y we got as a 4. So in this way, this is called a substitution method, where we find out a temporary value of any variable, then that temporary value should be put into the another equation. Thereby solving, we will get the permanent value of one variable, and that variable should be, the value of that variable should be put into the temporary value. In this way we will get the permanent value of both the variables. This is called as substitution method. Please check you understood it or not.